Student, we have completed the question first A and get now to you ready. We have to solve the question first B. In the question, most important two things. Do you understand? First is question tell to you, asks to you what is given and what to find it. These two things are most important. Attention for the question. I read, you listen carefully. Question first B. Solve the following sub questions. First B. This is compulsion. 4 sub questions out of 4. Each question is 1 marks. First read the sub questions. I read, if 2x plus y is equal to 7 and x plus 2y is equal to 11, then find the value of x plus y. You are attention for the question. You focus on what is given and what to find it. What is given here? Two equation, two variable are given. And what to find? We have to find addition of two variables x plus y. We observe here addition of two variables. That's way we addition these two equation. When here subtraction of two variables, we subtract these two equation and we are the get to answer. या ठिकाणी जर आपल्याला दोन व्हेरिएबलांची बेरीज दिली म्हणून आपण दोन समीकरणांची बेरीज करूया. कदाचित आपल्याला जर इथं वजाबाकी दिली असेल तर आपण वजाबाकी करून हे उत्तर काढता येतं. तर या ठिकाणी आपण ते इक्वेशन परत मी खाली घेतोय. 2x plus y is equal to 7. We given first number and second is x plus 2y is equal to 11. This is second. What I have to doing here? Addition of two equation. By addition, here the variables addition for find to our. Make the addition. सारख्या चल पदांची बेरीज होत असते. या ठिकाणी 2x plus 1x 2 plus 1 3x plus as it is 2y plus 1y 2 plus 1 3y equal to as it is 11 plus 7 18. We have to, this is equation 3x plus 3y is equal to 18. What we find, what to find? X plus y. This is 3 is removed 2. We divide both sides by the 3. This equation we divide 3 by this equation. We write here, since 3x plus 3y is equal to 18, divide each term by 3. 3 1 3 So 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 6 the 18. Remaining terms are we write here, since x plus y is equal to 6. This is our final answer. Do you understand? Now we given to second equation. Now second question, sub equation. This is a second sub question. Find the first term of the sequence. I read it. Tn is equal to 3n minus 4. Here every student focus on this question. Attention here. What is given and what to find it. What is given? Sequence is given. Tn is equal to 3n minus 4. What to find? We find in this sequence first term. Do you understand? First term means here we take n is equal to 1 in each terms and we get the answer. So put n is equal to 1 in the above sequence. We write this sequence Tn is equal to 3n minus 4. Where is n? We take n is equal to 1. Since T1 is equal to 3 into 1 minus 4 as it is, since T1 is equal to 3 into 1, 3 1 the 3 minus 4 is equal to here what is large number? 4. आपण मोठ्या संख्येचं चिन्ह देत असतो, हे चिन्ह ऋण आहे. 4 मधून 3 गेले, ऋण 1. Since first term is T1 is equal to minus 1. This is we get the answer. Question very easy when we are the attention towards the question and we get the solution easy. Student, we give here third sub questions. I read, you listen carefully, concentrately. How many alpha numerals are in the format of GST? Do you understand? This is number for the GST. त्यामध्ये अंक आणि अक्षर किती असतात? तर ते 15 असतात. साधं उत्तर आहे 15. We get the answer. Alpha numerals is 15. जसं आपल्या पॅन कार्ड मध्ये अंक आणि अक्षर असतात, तसं महाराष्ट्र शासनाने प्रत्येक व्यापाऱ्याला या ठिकाणी जीएसटी नंबर दिलेला असतो. तो आहे अंक आणि अक्षरी 15. We read the fourth sub questions. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously write the sample space S. What is given here? Here given in the question 2 coins. And what to find it? Sample space. We know when the one coin have two sides, one is head and another is tail. We calculate here one coin head tail, another is head tail. We get a pair HH, HT, TH and TT. Compare this pair. Sample space S is equal to H, H, comma HT, this pair 2 and another pair TH, comma TT. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. N of S. Since N of S is equal to 4, we get the answer. Two coins are tossed. Sample space is N of S is equal to 4. This is a simple question. Now we are taking the question 2A. येथे प्रश्न पहिला पूर्ण झालेला आहे. तुमच्या लक्षात आला असेल. याच पद्धतीने आपण हीच टेक्निक वापरून पुढचे प्रश्न सोडवणार आहोत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, क्वेश्चन 2A हा जो आहे तो अतिशय सोपा आहे. जसं की आंधळ्याला देखील उत्तर सापडेल असा हा सोपा प्रश्न. क्वेश्चन 2A तो 4 मार्काचा आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे क्वेश्चन 3A ही तसाच आहे. जसं की तुम्ही जर वरच्या स्टेप, मधल्या स्टेप आणि खाल्ल्या स्टेप, मधली सोडून खाल्ली आणि वरची स्टेप जर वाचन केलात, रीडिंग केलात केअरफुली, तर तुम्हाला मधल्या स्टेपचं उत्तर मिळतं. आणि हळूहळू स्टेप बाय स्टेप तुम्ही लक्षपूर्वक वाचन करत गेलात तर आपोआप उत्तर सहज मिळून जातं. असा क्वेश्चन 2A आहे. चला तर मग आपण वाचन करूया, केअरफुली त्याचा अभ्यास करूया. I read the question, you listen carefully. Question 2A. Complete any two activities from following. Out of the two activity we have to solve. What is activity? First is I read. Complete the following tables. Draw the graph of equation x plus 2y is equal to 4. You listen carefully, and what is given you understand. Here this is two variables of equation x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is given. What to find? We find this is a following table. Here x, observe the question, x is equal to minus 2. Then what is the value of y? Next, y is equal to 1. What is the value of x? Do you understand? The variable of x is equal to minus 2. Put this equation, we get the y. And y is equal to 1. Putting the, also substituting the y is equal to 1 in this equation, we get the answer x. Now put x is equal to minus 2 in this equation, in this. equation. We take the equation x plus 2y is equal to 4. What is the value of x? X is equal to minus 2. Here, since x is equal to minus 2 plus 2 as it is, y as it is equal to right hand side same, we have to calculate the y. The inverse of minus 2 is go to the right side is plus 2. You know here, since remaining 2y, since 2y is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Since we get the answer y is equal to 6. Here 2 is multiplication and inverse of multiplication is divide. We get the answer 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. We get y is equal to 3. Here we write in the table y is equal to 3. X is minus 2 comma y is 3. This way we get the substituting y is equal to 1 as like get the answer x. This is a very easy question for you. Do you understand? I given here y is equal to 1. Put the above equation. I write this equation x plus 2y is equal to 4. What is the value of given here? Y is equal to 1. Since x as it is plus as it is 2 into y is what is value? Y is 1 equal to 4 as it is. Since x plus 2 into 1 2 equal 4 as it is. Since x equal to 4, here 2 is plus, inverse of plus is going to minus. Since x is equal to plus 4 minus 2, this is subtraction is 2. We get the answer x is equal to 2. X is equal to, we write the table, x is equal to 2 and completing x is 2 and y is 1. This is a compared to our sub questions 2a. Now we calculate the sub questions second. This is a very carefully we write this activity. I am quadratic equation. Question tell to you what is I am quadratic equation. Next step, my standard form is, you know, the quadratic equation standard form. What is it? You remind, recall, you know, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is standard form. You understand? Now My roots are 5 and 12. What is given? Here two roots, 5 and 12. Sum of my roots. Here given the roots and then sum of roots. 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12 is equal to 17. Very easy. Product of my roots. What is root? 5 and 12. 5 into products multiplication 12 is 60. Next step is my quadratic equation is here we have to give one roots and the quadratic equation. What is form? We know the quadratic equation here two roots. The standard form we remember x square minus addition of two roots x as it is and plus multiplication of these roots is equal to 0. This is a standard form. You know here variables x square minus what is the addition of roots? Sum of roots 17 x as it is, then plus what is the multiplication? Product of this root is 60 is equal to 0. We get the answer. Very easy. This is the activity. Now we solve to third sub questions. Student, we have to solve the third activity. I read the question. You listen carefully. Pushpamala invested rupees 24,000 and purchased shares of face value rupees 20. This is Pushpamala investing 24,000 rupees. He take shares of value, face value is rupees 20 at premium of 4 rupees, increasing this value of shares is 4 rupees. Complete the following activity to find the number of shares C purchased. या ठिकाणी तिनं 24,000 रुपये गुंतवलेले आहेत आणि खरेदी केली ती शेअर्स. किती शेअर्स खरेदी केली आपल्याला हे we have to find here and what is given face value and premium. या ऍक्टिव्हिटी खूप सोप्या असतात कारण आपल्याला सर्व माहिती दिलेली असते. What is given and what to find it and now get the answer. Very easy activity. Face value is rupees 20, premium rupees 4, market value here face value 20, premium plus 4. We know this is a formula, market value is equal to face value plus premium. Here premium RAUM. Market value is equal to face value 20 plus what is premium here given 4. Now 20 plus 4 is equal to rupees 24. We have to calculate the number of shares. This is the formula we have already given here. Total investment upon one share price of market value. Total investment, what is given? 24,000, and market value is here 24. We write here 24. Now we calculate this division. 24 1 the 24. How many 0? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. We get the answer. It's 1000 shares. Solve this question. Very question simple activity for you. तर अशा पद्धतीनं विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आपला क्वेश्चन 2A पूर्ण झालेला आहे. तुम्ही याच पद्धतीने पुढचे प्रश्न पण सोडवायचे आहेत. लक्ष द्यायचं आहे. सहज प्रश्न असतात गणितामध्ये.